गोव्याचे जे ॲडमिट आहेत आम्ही पण त्यांच्यासाठी शुभेच्छा, लवकरात लवकर त्यांची प्रकृती ठीक हो अशी आशा करतो, प्रार्थना करतो. As in India, there are about more than 1,000 parties, but still today we are saying one more party in Goa again. What we are up to? We just want to clarify that we here who are to strengthen the democratic system of India. We have been given democracy, social democracy, but to follow that social democracy, to follow the pattern of the democracy, we need some intellectuals. We need at least not some, almost all the citizens of India should be that much intellectual to follow the principles of democracy. So in that regard, if we are able to make the users of this democracy in higher numbers, if the citizens or you who are knowing what is the democracy should be increased. It is the only viewpoint of our party. And secondly, as we display in our board as education, health and employment, we actually appoint or we actually elect a representative to govern us, not to rule us, but actually they rule us. For that reason, it is a need of our that there should be some party who promote and inculcate the principles of democracy among the citizens. So in that hence it is required, because as we come to point as a democracy, it is just a game of numbers. Any social movement in democracy is actually not needed, because everything, whatever we want to do in democracy, should be done through ballot paper itself. And when the question of ballot paper comes, that is when election comes, the prime importance issues of health, education and employment kept on backseat. And the issues like demonetization, black money, who is eating beef, who is eating pork, who is wearing red, who is wearing green, is only focused. Actually, we are here to just continuously focus our daily needs, that is health, education and employment, for which we are electing, for which our people representative are. So we expect from people of Goa that they will understand our motto and will support us to large extent. Secondly, our main problem right now, we already started one issue in Goa, that recently we have known about the news that had appeared in day before yesterday's newspaper, that the pension and the salaries and other these things of the MLAs will be hiked. We are of the opinion that if MLAs and MPs are their people representative, then what about Panch, Sarpanch, Nagar Sevak, Nagaraध्यksha and ZP members? Are they not the people representative? They too should get some remuneration, definitely in accordance with what the MPs and MLAs are getting. So in near future, we are about to start some nationwide program regarding this remuneration and these salary issues of all the people representative in India. Elections are concerned, we will contest all the seats. Yeah, sure. So we are starting now, right now we are starting. We have some programs, door to door campaigning like that. We are sure. Right now we have 7 to 8 candidates. Bandre, Perne, Kumarjoa, Badgai, Kortali, Saligaon, Shivoli and Burgaon. सध्या नॉट इवन गोवा, ऑल ओव्हर इंडिया राजकारण अशें फोकस केले वयता की इश्यू आसा. वेरेज गुजरात इतले दीस लोक डेव्हलपमेंटाचे उलयताले, इलेक्शन येयले की डेव्हलपमेंट बॅक सिटार वयता आनी दुसऱ्या गजाली फुडें हाडले वयता. सेम वे गोवान ऑल ओव्हर इंडिया मीडिया नॉट इवन मीडिया ऑन एडवर्टायझींग, जो इव्हेंट मॅनेजर प्लेज द रोल, मेजर रोल. आनी आमी ताका डिफीट करपा खातीर जे लास्ट मिनिटाक कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर करतात ते आमी वेल इन एडवान्स विल डिक्लेअर. दुसरी गजाल जे लोक लास्ट मिनटाक डिमॉनिटायजेशन ब्लॅक मनी ऑर मदती अशें हाडटात ना. इलेक्शन सुद्दां ह्याच विशयाचेर जावपाक जाय, एज्युकेशन, हेल्थ एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट. जर हेजेर इलेक्शन जायत जाल्यार सगळे लायनीन येतले अशें आमकां दिसता स्ट्रॉंगली.